What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 18 tutorial. Now in this video, guys, I'm going to cover some really cool static transitions that you guys can use for transitions to different scenes and all that. And also, guys, on a side note, I want to mention that right now and this week on Wednesday's video and Friday's videos as well, I'm not going to spoil it, but for some transitions you need plugins, for some you don't. So don't worry, guys, even if you have certain plugins, you can use these transitions, but if you don't have any external plugins installed, you can still use the transitions, because of course we're going to also use, for example, in certain videos like overlays instead of like actual plugins. So if you guys are excited for this video and if you want to learn how to create some really cool static transitions, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe as well if you're here for the very first time watching, and if you want to see more of these Vegas Pro tutorials every single week on the channel. With that all the way, guys, let's go ahead and start creating these really nice static transitions right after the intro. Alright, guys, so as you can see right now, we are in Vegas Pro 18. So I'm just using a clip from a video from last week, or actually the week before. I'm going to also show you that I'm going to make this transition from this clip into some screen recording. Now, how we're going to do this is we're going to download some glitch effects, but the main question is, like, where do you get these glitch effects? Because they have to be transparent also in the first place. They need to be high quality as well. So of course there are like multiple sources where you can get like your glitch transitions, such as YouTube or like Google or different other websites, but we're going to use Production Crate or Footage Crate for this one. So if you go to the first link down in the description, you will land on this page. So this is not sponsored at all, this is just a website that I've been using for years. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to type in glitch right now in the search bar at the top, and as you can see, we have all kinds of glitch transitions and also these static ones that we can drag on our clips. Now the thing is, which one do we like the most? Of course, these are like a couple ones that we can use, and they're not really this long, as you notice, but I'm just holding my mouse over it because it's looping. So let's say that we're going to use, let's see, a little bit more of a different one. We can also combine like multiple ones, so I'm just going to download two of them. So right now I'm going to click on this one, and right now it says register. So I'm going to just create an account and log in real quick. All right, guys, so now that I'm logged in, right now I'm going to click on this one, and then right here it says download HD 1920 by 1080. So I'm going to download this guy, and as well I'm going to download this one just to use it really subtle with like a low kind of, you know, opacity. So now I'm gonna also download this one, but it's right here, it's in 4K, but I don't need really the 4K, so I'm just going to pick for the MP4 H264, and I'm gonna download that one straight away. So now that we have both of these in our downloads, let's drag them into Vegas. All right, so now that they're in our timeline and in our project, what we need to do is we need to make sure that we will see through them, because they're made in this way where you have to change the alpha channel to make it transparent. So right now it is all black, of course, right here. So we're gonna right click on the clip, and then we're gonna hit properties, and then we're gonna go to the media tab, and then right here it says alpha channel, and we want to change that from none to straight unmatted. Now if I go and, you know, move this box out of the way for a second, if I click on OK, right now, as you can see, we can see through it. So if I play it back, this is what it looks like. So now we're gonna go ahead and time it. But as you notice, it's actually quite slow, because I really want to have it like this, like almost like a flash. So I'm going to hold left control, and I'm going to drag this one a little bit to the left to speed it up. So let's see what this looks like. I'm going to also cut away a little bit of space right here. Let's time it up. All right, that looks really cool. And also we have this one. All right, but for the next clip, the alpha channel, you know, changing that doesn't really, you know, do anything. So we need to make sure to make it transparent by making a new video track. We're going to place this glitch on top of it, and then we're going to go to the compositing mode of that track, and we're going to place it to screen. As you can see right now, the glitches are actually visible and we can see through it. So now we need to line this up and match it. So as you can see, looks really nice. Alright, so now that we have made two of these actually on top, I'm going to lower the opacity just a little bit, around halfway, just like that. And now we need some sound effects. Okay, so now we're back on the website. Let's type in glitch sound, and let's go and play back a couple of these by going to the audio tab right here. Alright, so I was previewing a few samples and I think this bonus glitch one sounds pretty good. So I'm going to click on download HD and it's going to go straight into my downloads, and let's go and insert this into a project as well. Okay, so now we need to time it up and also lower the volume just a little bit.
The intro.
Alright guys, so
The intro.
alright guys, so now that we
The intro.
alright guys,
The intro.
alright guys,
The intro.
alright guys.
The intro.
Alright guys, so alright, that looks actually pretty solid, but of course we have like different kinds of glitches and like static ones on YouTube as well if you're not satisfied with the production grade ones. And they have like countless and countless of effects for like glitches and sound effects on the website itself, but of course it's like personal taste and what do you have in mind when you think about glitch, you know. But this is basically a really cool way. But what you can also do is you can go, for example, to YouTube, and then you can just click on here, for example, this video, and then you can download this glitch effect from YouTube itself to insert it and use it, and use also like sound effect from YouTube. It's totally up to you guys, but if you want to check out production crate and all the glitches and basically any transitions they have, make sure to check out the link down in the description, guys. If you want to pick up a pro membership, it's only $4 a month, and that's a really cool way how you can create these nice, and that's a really nice way to create these cool static transitions in Vegas Pro 18. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Now you guys know how to create these really cool static transitions using these ones from production crate. The link is down in the description, guys. It's really cool to see how many of them are on the website. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, make sure to reward it with a like down below. I'll catch you guys, of course, on a brand new video on Wednesday. So that's it, guys, and I'll see you guys obviously in Wednesday's video.